Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for coming over for TechTalks as well. We love to see like local communities, like in Edinburgh, to be so keen on events and Leith and a little Leith. And Clockwise, I just wanted to say a couple of words. What we do: we are a serviced offices space, flexible spaces. We offer day passes, meeting rooms, private offices, dedicated desk, anything in between. But we also are really focused on our local community, so we have a range of events, not only for our members, but also external. So first of all, Ben, who's present today, he's having first Founders Coffee Club here at Clockwise. That's next Thursday at 10 a.m. So you can find that all over our in LinkedIn, Ben's LinkedIn. So if you search for Commercial Quay or Clockwise or myself, David Nastalek, you will see the links to Eventbrite and Luna for that event. Additionally, we also organize ourselves an event with Jerry Forrester. It's a trust triad. It will be basically a workshop on building buyer relationships that last. It was quite popular last time we had it, and Jerry kindly, who is also a friend of Clockwise, agreed to do a second part there. So please join over. That's next Tuesday, and you can book that on Eventbrite, and it's all free. So yeah. I hope to see you there, and thank you so much. And I will pass over to Nadia.